I really don't know if you can make the Burner Superfast any better.
I just hit the new Burner Superfast 2.0 for the first time. Pretty good, man.
To me, this is very easy to aim. And wherever you think you're aiming, if that ball's going in that direction, that's all that matters in this game.
Love your launch conditions. 17 degrees, 2100.
That's perfect.
It's white! Had a great trajectory. I mean, I'm hitting it 10, 15 yards further.
It's a much easier driver to look at. I think it looks fantastic.
310 in the air, 337 total.
That is really good. Holy crap.
It really stands out. It pops out at you when it's down there behind the golf ball. These are the best numbers I've gotten all year.
I actually think the white crown with the black face makes you focus more. I mean, you get the contrast between the ball, the face, and the crown, and it's perfect. I think it looks great.
Well, the very first thing that I noticed about this is how easy it is to get square. I mean, you can really see the white pop.
See, I like that.
I love that shot. And I could swing it faster.
Put the Burner driver on the ground. It sits square to me. It feels great.
You know, I was excited when the Ghost Putter came out because it stood out so much behind the golf ball, and now with the white driver, I just think it's going to be so cool.
I can tell you, it feels awesome. It feels fast.
As of now, there's really no other driver that can compete against it.
Absolutely perfect.
That is such a good driver, it's ridiculous.
Man, I love it.
Well, that last shot went 300. I haven't been able to hit that all year.
166, 17, 2100, 302.
302.
Awesome.
I love this driver.